Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can log in Tinder without your mobile phone number. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply open your Tinder app and press on any of the options to get logged in into your account. However, you can see that every option needs your phone number to get typed into you to get logged in into your account or to create your account. However, it is not possible to log in Tinder without any phone number as for privacy reasons. So the only way you can log in Tinder without using your actual phone number is using any of the virtual method of typing in fake numbers or any virtual numbers. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.